Welcome back to this race. This is the rally car race. You already saw the NASCAR race. This is the rally car race, the second race of the weekend for rally cars. This is the first race of the season, second race of the weekend for this Iberian International Circuit. So let's get ready to rumble. I won the NASCAR race. Maybe I can go 2 for 3 this week. Because maybe we can win the truck race. And we are off in green. So, whoa, Hunter, did you see my awesome scheme?
What?
My awesome paint scheme. There's no way you did that paint scheme. Because I'm getting passed on the inside. Hunter clips the inside wall and Mares. Here's your leader. I need to get back on the track. And it looks. Oh, my race is over.
Did I hit you or did you, like,
That was my fault. And 2 cars pit. 2 cars are pitting already. And I believe my race is over, folks. I am running 6th with a yellow engine and in my Quaker State Baja Blast Falcon car. So I think, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get anything better than this. There's no way I'm getting any better than this. I think Hunter will win this one because my car is beat up and won't turn.
What?
Yeah, I might finish last. Trying to drift, nothing working. I cannot get this car to turn. My fault.
Okay. I didn't know. I wasn't paying attention. I saw you there, and then next thing, and then you tried coming up, and then I didn't give you room, so I think that was my fault.
Well, my engine and drivetrain are destroyed, so it doesn't really matter now, does it? I'm about to probably get past here. So just to let you guys know, the truck race is next. So, yeah. This race has been a buzzkill. I thought I could go 2 for 2 on the weekend, maybe 3 for 3. But looks like I may only go 2 for 3 or 1 for 3. I'm just... These guys have caught up to me big time. I'm just trying to hold them off. Well, we're on lap 6, 4 minutes into this video. This video, all rally car races probably will be very short until the championship race will be longer. Whoa, 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 whoa. I am in 7th and they're wrecking me. They are wrecking me. I'm 7th, now trying to get back into 6th. I'm going to dive bomb this corner. And nothing doing, so I'll probably finish last. First time I finish last in probably a race online in this game. Unless I've destroyed my car completely. I'm just trying to hold off for 7th here. On starting lap 7.
Did you say you were in 7th?
Yes, I am running 7th.
Nice. Not really good.
I go through the sand and I think Hunter will probably win this one. Probably about to lap us. And I'm trying to keep my car from going up the track. My Quaker State.
Track, too.
Did you ever see my car, Hunter? No.
No, I didn't.
And
I was watching a YouTube video.
final lap for me. I'll just show off my paint scheme for this final lap. I do not think I will be finishing the race. I think I will get a DNF. Now I might get last because of that going off the track right there. But no, I keep 7th, but going off the track again. I definitely won't finish this race, but I may get 7th.
I think I saw the option app too, so.
And I will get 7th place. I DNF barely. Well, 2,000 credits, and that's about all I'm getting. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.